Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. Namaste to all. Welcome to the third class of Raksha Stotram Parayana Abhyasaha. Let us begin the class with Prarthana Shloka. Gurureva gatihi gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro gurureva gatihi gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो Srirama Raksha Stotram. Let us quickly do the revision of the shlokas that we have learnt in the previous two classes. I would encourage all of you to please chant loudly so that you get the pronunciation right and we memorize the shlokas as well. Srirama Raksha Stotram. Asya Srirama Raksha Stotramantrasya बुधकौशिकऋषिः श्रीसीतारामचन्द्रो देवता अनुष्टुप्छन्दः सीताशक्तिः श्रीमान् हनुमान् कीलकम् श्रीरामचन्द्रप्रीत्यर्थे रामरक्षास्तोत्रजपे विनियोगः अथ ध्यानम् ध्यायेदाजानुबाहुं धृतशरधनुषं बद्धपद्मासनस्थं पीतं वासोऽवसानन्नवकमलदलस्पर्धिनेत्रं प्रसन्नम् वामाङ्कारूढसीतामुखकमलमिलल्लोचनन्नीरदाभम् नानालङ्कारदीप्तं दधतमुरुजटामण्डलं रामचन्द्रम् चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनम् ध्यात्वा नीलोत्पलश्यामं रामं राजीवलोचनम् जानकीलक्ष्मणोपेतं जटामुकुटमण्डितं सासितूणधनुर्बाणपाणिन्नक्तञ्चरान्तकं स्वलीलया जगत्त्रातुम् आविर्भूतमजं विभुं रामरक्षां पठेत् प्राज्ञः पापघ्नीं सर्वकामदां शिरो मे राघवः पातु भालं दशरथात्मजः कौसल्येयो दृशौ पातु विश्वामित्रप्रियश्रुती घ्राणं पातु मखत्राता मुखं सौमित्रिवत्सलः जिह्वां विद्यानिधिः पातु कण्ठं भरतवन्दितः स्कन्धौ दिव्यायुधः पातु भुजौ भग्नेशकार्मुकः करौ सीतापतिः पातु हृदयञ्जामदग्न्यजित् वक्षः पातु कबन्धारिः स्तनौ गीर्वाणवन्दितः पार्श्वौ कुलपतिः पातु कुक्षिमिक्ष्वाकुनन्दनः मध्यं पातु खरध्वंसी नाभिञ्जाम्बवदाश्रयः We will go to the next shloka. Trayi. Okay, looks like our panelist is joining in a while. Okay. Trayi, can you unmute, please?
भगिनि
सुग्रीवेशः
सुग्रीवेशः
कटीपातु
कटीपातु
सक्थिनी
सक्थिनी
हनुमत्प्रभुः
हनुमत्प्रभुः
ऊरू
ऊरू
रघूत्तमः पातु
रघुत्तमः पातु
रक्षः
रक्षः
कुलविनाशकृत्
कुलविनाशकृत्
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु
सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः
सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः
ऊरू रघूत्तमः पातु
ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु
रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः
ऊरू रघूत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत् ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः ऊरू रघूत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत् सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
राधा भगिनी राधा सीवी interested people can please click on raise hand button so that I'll try to unmute you and you can chant. Rudranshi,
Yes, ma'am.
please chant.
Yeah, okay. Sugrivesh Kati.
Wait, repeat after me, Rudranshi.
Okay, ma'am.
Sugriveshah Katipatu.
Sugrivesh
Listen carefully, okay? Sugriveshah
Sugriveshaha
Kati. Only once. Only once is enough. Katipatu.
Katipatu
Sakthini
सक्थिनी
हनुमत्प्रभुः धन्यवादाः राधा भगिनी कैन यू कंटिन्यू ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु
ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु
रघुत्तमः पातु
रघुत्तमः पातु
only gha you should stress gha is mahaprana रघुत्तमः
रघुत्तमः
पातु
पातु
रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत् रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
ओके धन्यवादाः गीता गणेश भगिनी
राम राम राम
राम राम
सुग्रीवेश कटीपातो सक्तिनी हनुमत् प्रभुः ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
धन्यवादाः इंदिरा भगिनी
सुग्रीवेशः कटीपातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः ऊरू रघुत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत्
धन्यवादाः नेक्स्ट श्लोक
धन्यवादः
जानुनी
जानुनी जानुनी
सेतु कृत्पातु
सेतु कृत्पातु सेतु कृत्पातु
जङ्घे
जङ्घे जङ्घे
दशमुखान्तकः
दशमुखान्तकः दशमुखान्तकः
पादौ
पादौ पादौ
विभीषणश्रीदः
विभीषणश्रीदः विभीषणश्रीदः
पातु रामोऽखिलम्
पातु रामोऽखिलम् पातु रामोऽखिलम्
वपुः
वपुः वपुः
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु
जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः
जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः
पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः
पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः
पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः
पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
मेघालता भगिनी.
जानुनीते तु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
Third pada vibhishana.
विभीषण विभीषण
Mohan Parthasarathi Mahodaya.
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषण श्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
Khilau vapuhu.
खिलं वपुः.
धन्यवादाः. Indira Bhagini.
जानुनी सेतु कृत्पातु जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः
रामोऽखिलं वपुः.
रामोऽखिलं वपुः धन्यवाद
चेतस्वरूप. धन्यवादाः भगिनी. चेतस्वरूप.
Yes, ma'am.
Please chant.
Dhanuni Setukritpadu Dhanagmena Dasham
Janghe. Slowly Chetas. Janghe.
Dhamke
Dashamukh.
Dashamukhantakah Pado Vibhishana Krithatah Pato Ramo Khilam Vapuh
Third pada. Padau vibhishana shridaha.
Pado Vibhishana Shridaha
पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः.
Pado Ramo Khilam Vapuh.
Yes, correct. That's right. Okay. Parasavarna rules I wanted to share in the class as well. Yesterday in the group I had shared, but however I'm getting a few queries again, so hence sharing it again. Let's not get into too much of details since it's a chanting course. For our course, how much ever is required, we will learn so much and then stop. I would request the participants also to please pay attention and chant Parasavarna, because Parasavarna chanting has a lot of benefits. One, it is the closest to what we have in Vedic chanting. It falls in line with the Shiksha Shastra, that is the science of pronunciation. Plus, it has immense benefits on your health. Just the way when you do Parayanam or Pranayama, the due to the breath control, the benefit that happens on your body, the same kind of benefit happens through Parasavarna chanting. Hence, it is recommended. So, when Anuswara is followed by Vargiya Vyanjanas, you can see here on the right hand side, Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga and Pavarga. If any of these Vyanjanas, if Anuswara is followed by Vyanjana, that is not the complete letter, K, K, G, G. Instead of the Anuswara, we chant the Panchama Akshara in that Varga. So in Kavarga, if it is Kavarga letter, then Nga comes. If it is Chavarga letter, then Nya will come. If it is Tavarga, Na. If it is Tavarga, it is Na. If it is Pavarga, Ma. So this is with respect to the Vargiya Vyanjanas. With respect to Avargiya Vyanjanas, that is if Anuswara is followed by Y, L or V, then Sanunasika Adesha will come. That is, the letter has to be pronounced along with the nasal sound. Instead of Ya, you have to say ya. Use your nose and make that sound. Ya. Instead of lakara, la. Instead of vakara, it is va. Okay. So this is the Parasavarna rule that is followed for chanting. I hope it is clear. You can also refer to the table again. It is shared on the WhatsApp group. And one more request is in the WhatsApp group, I think now all the related documents, the PDF of the script along with the meaning has been uploaded. The Parasavarna table has been shared. I don't think there is any scope for further discussion. The audio clips also will be shared. I would request all of you to please keep conversations to the minimal. If any other queries or questions regarding to Vyoma courses or anything else, you can always write to us, contact our support team. There is a customer seva team who are very prompt in replying, who are very helpful. You can contact them over phone, over WhatsApp, through email. So I would request all of you to do that. And also I've been getting messages, personal messages on the WhatsApp. So I would request you not to do that because I might miss out on replying. I think I've answered most of them. But however, it would be great if we can stick to the group so that we don't miss out on any of the communication. Dhanyavadaha. Let me share the screen again and we will continue chanting. So here in the 10th shloka, Patu Ramokhilau Apuhu, because Anuswara is followed by Vakara. Hence that nasal Vakara sound will be pronounced. I hope that is clear. Chaya Bagini has asked in the third verse why first and second pada are not split. Because it is a samastapada, it is one single word. That is why you see this dash, right? You can't split it. We can't split wherever we want. It has to be a proper split based on the sandhi rules. Hence you cannot split here, Bagini. Sharvil Kulkarni has asked, where can we get the recording of the class? So all the recordings will be posted on the course page. Kindly log into Sanskrit from home and go to My Learning, and under the courses, you will see the recordings of the classes that has been updated. It is also available on YouTube. If you can see the YouTube, there also you can see that. Ujjwal Mahodaya is asking for Sir, Sh and Sh. Parasavarna rules do not apply for these Vyanjanas. So there is no Parasavarna rule which will apply for this. And there is somebody who's anonymous attendee saying that, can I chant please? I'm sorry, I don't know the name. And as I already said, since the class strength is more, I'm calling out names in the random order. And there is no alphabetical order or any preference of mine. As the name appears on the screen, I'm calling out the names of the attendees. That's all. We have requests for the WhatsApp group. The email has been sent to your registered email ID. I will also share again over the chat. Kindly please wait till the end of the class. I will definitely do that. Let's continue. Etam
Etam
Rama Balopetam
Ramabalopetam Ramabalopetam
Raksham
Raksham Raksham
Yasukriti Pathet
Yasukriti Pathet Yasukriti Pathet
Sachirayuhu
Sachirayuhu Sachirayuhu
Sukhi Putri
Sukhi Putri Sukhi Putri
Vijayi
Vijayi Vijayi
विनयी भवेत्
विनयी भवेत् विनयी भवेत्
एतां रामबलोपेताम्
एतां रामबलोपेताम् एतां रामबलोपेताम्
रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत्
रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत् रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत्
सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री
सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री
विनयी विजयी विनयी भवेत्
विजयी विनयी भवेत् विजयी विनयी भवेत्
एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत्
एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत् एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत्
सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्
सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्
एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्
एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत् एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्
सरिता भगिनी
एतां बलोपेतां यः सुकृती पठेत् सचिरायुसुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्
सचिरायुः सुखी
सुखी
पुत्री that is stress
Yeah, I realized. Thank you.
one more time please chant third pada
सचिरायुसुखी sorry सचिरायुसुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्
चिरायुः सुखी
चिरायुसुखी पुत्री
correct now you got it right धन्यवादाः सागर महोदय
धन्यवाद
सागर महोदय
एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षां यः सुकृति पठेत्
रक्षां यः सुकृती पठेत्
रक्षां यः सुकृति पठेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्.
Yes, only one correction is sukriti. That kr we should not stress because it is a the swara r is a swara. So there we do not stress sukriti. That's all. Normally that when that rikara happens, it is a common place where we make a mistake. Kr we will stress, but sukriti plainly you have to chant. Otherwise well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Archana Bhagini.
Mahoday,
Yeah, please chant.
एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षाय यः सुकृती भवेत्
Pathet.
रक्षाय यः सुकृती पठेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत्. Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, please ask.
In the PDF you sent, there were no that F sound, head sound indications. I was kind of confused.
No, there won't be any. That's what in Upadhmaniya and Jifamulya. You cannot represent it in a script. It has to be learned from a teacher. So it is only through listening to someone and learning. That is the only possible way. That is why you don't see any sound or any kind of representation there. In the script, why we represent is so that as you proceed further in Samskrita learning, you get to understand the nuances better. That's all. So
At least there should be a visarga so that we can actually think that there is an F sound.
no, you cannot. Then in throughout there will be so many places. For example, here also Raksham, Yaha, Sukriti. So there also, if we keep on splitting how many words, it will not be it will not be easy, right? So wherever it will be, there'll be too many words then.
Oh,
Okay. So you should learn it like that only.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Next shloka. पातालभूतलव्योम
पातालभूतलव्योम पातालभूतलव्योम
चारिणश्छद्मचारिणः
चारिणश्छद्मचारिणः चारिणश्छद्मचारिणः.
So here it is a single word, but however, since we see a dash, for the ease of pronunciation, I had to stop it there. Patala bhutala vyoma charinaha chadma charinaha. So till here charinaha, it is one word, then chadma charinaha. And when you join it, it becomes charinash chadma charinaha. We will try one more time. Patala bhutala vyoma
पातालभूतलव्योम पातालभूतलव्योम
चारिणश्छद्मचारिणः
चारिणश्छद्मचारिणः चारिणश्छद्मचारिणः.
न द्रष्टुमपि
न द्रष्टुमपि न द्रष्टुमपि
शक्तास्ते
शक्तास्ते शक्तास्ते
रक्षितम्
रक्षितं रक्षितं
रामनामभिः
रामनामभिः रामनामभिः.
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः.
न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते
न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते
रक्षितं रामनामभिः
रक्षितं रामनामभिः रक्षितं रामनामभिः.
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः.
न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
आराधना भगिनी आराधना
राम 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 मैम
राम राम राम
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
पातालभूतल भकार महाप्राण आराधना can you chant the first and second line again
ओके मैम पातालभूतलव्योमचार
bhutala again same mistake bhutala
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः
okay धन्यवादाः
धन्यवाद मैम
हर्षिनी
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्चत्वचारिणः छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते
रक्षितं
रक्षितं रामनामभिः
धन्यवादाः हर्षिनी सौमिनी भगिनी
Hello, Ram Ram Ram.
राम 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 please chant
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
here rakshitam and please chant
रक्षितं रामनामभिः
in first pada also patala
okay पातालभूतलव्योमचार
bhutala
पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणश्छद्मचारिणः
correct
न द्रष्टुमपि न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः
धन्यवादाः भगिनी so with all our South Indian regional influences we normally this happens takara becomes dakara so in Samskrita we have to be very very careful when we are chanting धन्यवादाः next shloka रामेति रामभद्रेति
रामेति रामभद्रेति रामेति रामभद्रेति
रामचन्द्रेति
रामचन्द्रेति रामचन्द्रेति
वास्मरन्
वास्मरन् वास्मरन्
नरो न
नरो न नरो न
लिप्यते पापैः
लिप्यते पापैः लिप्यते पापैः
भुक्तिं मुक्तिं
भुक्तिं मुक्तिं भुक्तिं मुक्तिं
च विन्दति
च विन्दति च विन्दति
रामेति रामभद्रेति
रामेति रामभद्रेति रामेति रामभद्रेति
रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन्
रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन्
नरो न लिप्यते पापैः
नरो न लिप्यते पापैः नरो न लिप्यते पापैः
भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति
भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति.
In the last pada, muktim followed by chakara. Muktim, here there is an anuswara followed by chakara. So that chavarga's fifth letter, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. We say muktincha vindati. Okay. Now, rameti ramabhadreti ramachandreti vasmaran.
रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन्
नरो न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति
नरो न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति नरो न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति.
रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् नरो न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति
रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् नरो न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् नरो न लिप्यते पापैः भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति.
Anil, Anik, I hope I pronounced your name properly. Kindly unmute. ANIK. Anik. Okay. Savitri Bhagini.
Ram, ma'am.
Ram.
Madam, can I chant, madam?
Yes, please chant.
Okay.
Savitri Bhagini, you can chant next.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Please.
Rameti Ramabhadrati Ramachandreti va smaran Naro na lipyate papaihi Bhuktin muktin cha vindati.
Good. Dhanyavadaha. Savitri Bhagini. Kindly unmute.
Okay. Rameti Ramabhadrati Ramachandreti va smaran Naro na lipyate papaihi Bhuktim muktim cha vindati.
Bhuktim Mahaprana.
Bhuktim muktim cha vindati.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Sheela Bhagini.
Rameti Ramabhadrati
Bhadreti.
Ramabhadrati.
No. Bha you should stress. Bha you should stress and the you should not stress. Ramabhadrati.
Rameti Ramabhadrati Ramachandreti vasmaran Naro na lipyate papaihi Bhuktim मुक्तिं च विन्दति
मुक्तिं च
मुक्तिं च विन्दति
रामभद्रेति
रामभद्रेति
no भद्रेति
रामभद्रेति
we'll just focus on bhadra word, okay?
Okay.
Bhadreti.
Bhadreti.
Super, you chanted perfectly. You
Thank
can
you.
practice it.
Thank
Dhanyavadaha.
you.
Next shloka. We'll stop with this shloka, 14th one. Jagadjaitraika mantrena
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण
रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम्
रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम्
यः कण्ठे
यः कण्ठे यः कण्ठे
धारयेत्तस्य
धारयेत्तस्य
करस्थाः
करस्थाः
सर्वसिद्धयः
सर्वसिद्धयः
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण
रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम्
रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम्
यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य
यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य
करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः
करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम्
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम्
यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः
यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः
हरिहरन् महोदय
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितं यः कण्ठे धारयेत्तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः.
Sorry, Bhagini, I addressed you as Mahodaya. I did not realize. Yah kanthe. Thakara also Mahaprana. So there are two consecutive letters next to each other is Mahaprana. Please try the third pada again.
यः कण्ठे धारयेत् तस्य
Super.
करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः। रङ्गनाथन् महोदय।
राम राम।
राम राम राम। Please chant.
जगत
Please chant. Do you want to repeat after me?
Yes, ma'am.
जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण. Only once.
जगद्रेण नन्त्रेण
रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् नाम्नाभि रक्षितम्. Only once you repeat, okay? रक्षितम् यः कण्ठे कण्ठे धारयेत् तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः. Please continue practicing, okay? Anjana Krishnaswamy.
राम भगिनी।
Ram Ram Ram.
जगद्दैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितं यः कण्ठे धारयेत् तस्य करस्था सर्वसिद्धयः।
करस्थाः
सर्वसिद्धयः।
Okay, धन्यवादाः. Very sorry that today we had to extend the class by almost 10 minutes. With this, we will end today's class. Let us chant the Shanti mantra and end the class. If you have any questions, you're welcome to stay back. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः, पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी, देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः, ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः. गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. धन्यवादाः. राम राम राम. There is a question where the anonymous person is asking, is this stotra given by Lord Shiva? Yes. In the stotram only, in one of the shlokas, as we progress further, it is stated that Buddha Kaushika Rishi got up in the morning and wrote what was taught to him by Bhagavan Shiva in his dream. So it is already there. We will come to that shloka. Vishalam Krishnan and I don't know the other person's name. Okay, Shreya, I think. Shreya, I don't see your name here. You said you have a question. I don't see your name, so sorry, I can't unmute you. Vishalam Krishnan, do you have a question? Okay. I will quickly share the WhatsApp link first and then we will get into questions. So interested people can join the WhatsApp group. Just give me a minute, please. I'm posting the WhatsApp link, the link to join the WhatsApp group here. If somebody wants to join, kindly join using by clicking on this link. Okay, now going back to the questions. Srivardhini is asking, do we have to read Dhyana Shloka for Kantapata? Yes, everything. Right from Nyasa, everything has to be done. Shreya, I don't see you in the attendees list, hence I don't know how to answer your question. Radha Bhagini is asking in Shloka 11, second pada, how do we connect? Raksham yassukriti pathet. So there is no, there are two different words, but when you're chanting Raksham yassukriti pathet, let me share the screen so I can explain the Parasavarna also properly. Radha Bhagini, if you're there, kindly note this. Raksham. So there is an Anuswara followed by Yakara. So instead of saying Raksham Yassukriti, we will say Rakshai Yassukriti. Rakshai Yassukriti. That is how it is chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Bhuvaneshwari Bhagini, I would request you to please go through the audio recording. And tomorrow again in the class, I will do the Parayanam of Shlokas 1, 2, 3. So that you can hear it. Anyway, all the previously learned Shlokas, every day we will do a Parayanam so that we get familiar with the Shlokas. That's all. Okay, Vijayalakshmi Parthasarathi Bhagini is asking, how do I raise hand? So there is one button called as raise hand, like a hand symbol like this, like a Congress election symbol. So you just click on that, Bhagini, that's all. And I will get to know whether anybody is interested in chanting or not. That's all. Dhanyavadaha. Mrudula, if you're there, I will unmute you. Yes, please ask. What is your question?
Namaste Bhagini. I
Namaste.
don't remember the shloka number. It's the Rameti Rama Bhadrati Ramachandreti Va Smaran. The
13th.
na is half there, but there is a stress on na when you are chanting. Is that how it should be?
Yes, that is how it should be. Smaran.
Smaran.
Yes.
Okay. I was confused. I was thinking Smaran or Smaran.
No, when that halanta comes in the end, the dvitva rule applies. So a doubling of that letter happens. That is why we chant like this. In one of the previous shlokas also, if you can see the screen, in the 11th shloka also. Rakshai yassukriti pathet vijayi vinayi bhavet.
Okay, understood,
That
Bhagini. Thank you so much.
Okay, any other questions? Bharanishwari is asking, what is the chandas of shloka, of dhyana shloka and nyasa? So again, it is a humble request. Let us not get into any of the other nuances apart from chanting, because the whole objective of this course is on how to learn the chanting correctly. In Vyoma, we have so many courses where all these things are discussed in detail. We have a course on Chandas itself, Bhagini. So kindly register to it, and all your questions will be answered in that. Anjana Krishna Swami. Yes, Bhagini, please ask.
Bhagini, actually, I am not able to join every day because of the time zone constraints. But
Okay.
I look at the recordings and I'm learning. And Saturday,
Okay.
Sundays, definitely I'm making it a point to learn.
Okay.
But during the recordings, when I hear you say that you're sharing some materials in the chat or somewhere like that. But when I see the recording on the YouTube, I won't find any links or any.
No, in the YouTube it is different. YouTube is the class recording what happens. There is a closed WhatsApp group of all the participants who have registered for this course.
Yeah, so
where
I
we
just joined that one also. I didn't know
yeah.
about that group.
Uh,
So if you
huh.
can reshare all those material,
No,
it will
there
be
is
useful.
nothing.
Okay,
It is
okay.
only for people who find it difficult to log in with the portal. We have quite a few senior people who are there in the course who find it very difficult to, go to Sanskrit from home, download the course content. There is nothing extra that we are putting in WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay,
Same
Bhagini.
thing, we just the course script. Some elderly people were not able to, download it from the course page and then take a printout. So for their ease, they said WhatsApp is the easiest. So hence we have shared it on WhatsApp, and on WhatsApp I keep sharing the shlokas that has been taught each day. That's all. There is no extra that we are sharing. You're not
Okay,
missing
Bhagini.
out on anything, Bhagini. You're
Right,
not
okay.
missing out.
Thank you so much. But we are really blessed to get all these learnings from the Vyoma. Thank you to also. Bye.
Thank you. Ram Ram. Any other questions? Amita, I think we just I think I just answered your question. If your questions are answered, kindly lower your hand so that I can know that it is answered. Priyadarshini Bhagini.
Can I chant? I just raised the hand for the chanting.
Okay. Sorry, as I was saying, the class strength is 300 plus and we have 45 minutes. So normally I can only give chance to 3 or 4 people per shloka. More than that, I am unable to give. So kindly excuse me if your name was not called. Maybe in the coming classes, we'll try to give chance. Thank you. If you have any questions related, apart from chanting, I'll be lowering everyone's hand. If you have any questions related to the course or chanting or anything, please raise your hand so that I can unmute you and we can discuss. Ramanathan Mahodaya. Ramanathan Mahodaya. Kindly unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please, sir.
In the Prarthana table, for each person should we not add the fifth letter also, madam?
No, only for the fourth. If the fifth letter comes, then it will be fifth letter only.
Yeah, correct. But Anuswaram will be replaced by the fifth letter, no? If it is followed by the fifth letter also.
Yeah.
Table will be given only for 4 letters for each
It
person.
is only applicable for 4 letters as far as I know.
Oh, I see.
Dhanyawadaha.
Not applicable.
Any other? Arun Kumar Mahodaya.
Many people are asking questions about Parasa Varna Sandhi. I think 5 months back, Venkat sir has taught effective Parayanam of Granthas using with his knowledge of Sandhis,
Correct.
using examples from Ramayana and Srimad
Correct.
Bhagavatam. I think if
Correct.
they go through that test, it will be very, very useful
Yes.
for them. Madam.
Yes, exactly. So I took the table from our Sandhi course only. You're right, sir. Absolutely right. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Yes,
Bhuvaneshwari Bhagini. Bhuvaneshwari Bhagini. Bhuvaneshwari R.
Namaskaram.
Namaste,
Very
Bhagini.
nice, madam. I just want to know what are the letters where we use f, k, like that. No, next letter comes f, th, like that. We are this thing, no.
Okay. So there are two aspects. If visarga is followed by ka or kha. Okay, ka or kha. Visarga will be there, and the next letter will be ka or kha. That is called jihva muliya.
Okay.
Okay. And if the visarga is followed by pa or pha, like
Okay.
Rama patu. Okay. Rama patu. Sometimes a slight f sound is heard, but the actual way of chanting is the air comes out of the mouth and immediately you close the lips. So that is how it is chanted. So this comes with listening. There is we cannot write any description or anything. Only by continuously listening, you will make out, okay, here I have to chant it like this. Here I have to chant it like that.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
But some famous shloka, if you keep in mind and you keep telling it, so it is easy for you to practice. For example, antah karanam. That antaha visarga followed by ka. Antah karana. And this Rama patu. You keep two words in your mind, and whenever you get this doubt, you repeat those words, and it will be helpful.
Antakaranam and Ram. And another thing you were telling about some nasal sound.
That is anuswara followed by any ya, va, or la. If anuswara, that dot, what we say.
Yes, Anuswara, that two dots.
No, two dots is visarga. One dot above is called anuswara. If that is followed by ya, we tell it as nyai. Like that. So when you listen it, you will get it.
Okay.
Okay. Ram.
What is Anuswara, you said?
Anuswara is for example, can you see the screen?
Yes, madam.
Here in the shloka, second line, Raksham, this dot you see, right?
Yes.
And this dot, this is called Anuswara. Dot followed by ya, we say it, instead of saying Raksham Yasukriti Pathet, instead of saying like that, we say it as Rakshai Yasukriti Pathet, Rakshai. That ya, I will tell it with the help of the nose. Similarly, if la comes, I will tell it lai, la, like that.
But in the Dhyana Slokam, you said Bahun, that Bahun, you made it Bahun.
Yes, because again that Parasavarna rule, Anuswara followed by ya, va, la, that nasal sound will come. Else, what will happen is, in Vargiya Vyanjana, I showed you a table. If k, kha, ga, gha comes, any letter comes, for example, let's take one example.
The Dhyana Slokam only you can take.
Yes, I will. Here, Bahum Dhrita Sharadhanusham. So here Dhakara is there. Dhakara comes in which varga? Ta, dha, dha, na. Right? Ta, dha, na. So it comes in tavarga. Right? You should see which letter is there. And we should identify in which varga it will come. Okay.
Okay.
So this dha comes in tavarga. So which is the
Okay.
fifth letter of tavarga?
Hmm.
The, tha, the, dha, na. So instead of
Okay.
bahum dhritashara, we say bahun na. That instead
Okay.
of that anuswara, I will pronounce nakara because
Okay.
that dha is there.
Okay. Okay.
Similarly, can you tell vasanam
Ah,
navakamala, second line?
ah. Yes.
So
Yes.
here anuswara followed by nakara. So what shall
Hmm.
we do?
Hmm.
Here
Nakara.
nakara only will come because the tha the dha na.
Ah,
Fifth letter is
okay.
again na. So vasanannava kamala. I will tell like that only.
Okay.
Okay. Is that
Okay.
clear?
The next is the TK. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you
Ram.
very much. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Ram, Ram. Okay. I don't think we have any other questions. Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi Bhagini. Vijay Lakshmi Bhagini, you have any question?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
That's all. Because I don't know whether my name is listed as Corona or Vijay Lakshmi.
No,
Because
no,
I'm not
your
getting.
name is proper Bhagini. Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi. I can
Oh,
see that.
thank you. Because every time I raise my hand, I'm not being called. I think it's in the end of the thing.
No,
My
no,
name
it's
is.
not like that. We don't get it in alphabetical order. That's what I was trying to say. The names come in random order on the screen. I have
Okay.
two columns. One is panelist and one is attendees. In attendees, I see the names in random order. So there are 300 names. In whichever order it comes, I will call. So out of 300, 3 names I have to call per shloka.
I've been
So
trying for this.
yeah,
Okay.
and it is a short-term course,
No,
so
I'm
it
trying.
is difficult. Ram, Ram, Ram.
Okay, thank you.
Ram, Ram. Ramanathan Mahodaya, any other question? Arun Gupta. Arun Gupta, sir. Ram, 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 sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. In the second line, is it Vasanam or Vasanam? And I think
The Dhyana Shloka?
yes,
Vasanam.
yes. Vasanam. Right. Okay. Okay.
Vasanam. Ram, Ram,
Right.
Ram.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
We'll end the class. I think I have answered all the questions. Dhanyavadaha. Let us all meet tomorrow again at 4:30. Keep practicing and we'll meet tomorrow. Ram, Ram, Ram.